Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's try to create the trading plan for the beginning of the week as usual. See your currency and daily time frame. You can see on the previous week the price action was rather tight. So in fact, after the drop in the beginning of the week, it's the Tuesday trading session. You can see all consequence price action of the following days of the week stand inside of the trading session of Tuesday. Here was some splash down, but in general all closes was inside the Tuesday's action. Also take a look, the Friday action was the inside day for the Thursday, and that is rather common to the previous retracement. As you can see, white candle, doji with the long upward shadow is here, and that small candle as well. So probably, guys, you know my stubborn opinion, or maybe it's your stupid opinion, but in general I still think that we probably should see another leg down to the 129.20, because first of all, following the classical approach, if you will draw the lines here, you will get the wedge pattern. Okay, and we have in fact just 4 legs inside of it, and that could be the final 5th leg to the downside. But what is more significant for current action is that, recall what this level is. That is the 50% support of this thrust. That's the target of the double repo sell pattern that we have here. And what is more interesting is that it's also the weekly pivot support 1 of the previous week. And we know that support 1, pivot support 1 usually holds the retracement within the bull trend. And I ask you, would this level be sufficient for jump up and continuation to the upside if market really intends to do that and really has the significant bullish power that led to do that? I think absolutely yes. But what we have instead of it? Instead of it, we have some choppy tight price action that looks very sloppy and choppy on the intraday charts. So very small candles, tight range. That is more looks like the contraction instead of the expansion of the market. That in fact should follow from the significant support as the continuation of this upward thrusting move. But instead of this move, instead of that action, we have something of that sort, retracement. That is another reason why I think that market probably could show some small leg down first before the upward continuation. So here I explain you why I still think that, why my opinion is that the market probably still could continue move down. Now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, on the first glance, we have absolutely the same situation that we had on Friday. So we have potentially downward pattern, that is butterfly buy, that suggests the moving to the 129.20 area. We also have this level that is in fact the cluster of different targets, ABCD of the head and shoulders, inner ABCD pattern. That's first butterfly 1618 extension was right here, 127 extension of that butterfly. That is also FIB support, so that's really significant support area. But if you will take a careful look at the current situation, you'll see that one thing has changed, and this thing is rather significant. Take a look at this candle. That was the stop grabber on Friday, and I said, guys, that is a bit tricky moment, because this pattern suggests the taking out of these highs, and that highs are invalidation point of the butterfly. So in fact, if market will reach this area, it will erase the butterfly, and that could turn overall situation from top to bottom. But what we see now, on Friday, market has erased this butterfly with this move down, but has created two side-by-side stop grabbers as well. We know that the target of the stop grabber is the previous swing high, but now this swing high is not that one, but that one, because this also we have two lower highs from the left side and from the right side, so that is the most recent swing high, and that is in fact minimum target of the stop grabber, and that situation changes the overall context drastically, because if even these stop grabbers will be completed, they will not erase the butterfly pattern. And second significant moment, they could even give us significant assistance, because by the stop grabbers, and if market will follow it, we could get the better entry point for the short entry, and we could place our stop right above this high, because in fact in the short-term perspective, in fact we are trading the butterfly. Now let's see how it could turn on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, that could be some sort of the ABCD pattern. You can see this is rather deep BC leg, but this low is slightly higher than this one, and that will be sufficient to show the ABCD action, because the target of the ABCD pattern stands slightly higher than this swing high, and that will be sufficient for stop grabber. That will give us an agreement with the 130.50 area, the 618 resistance from the butterfly action. Okay, that's a very typical ratio for the butterflies, the 618 or even slightly higher. And take a look also that stop can be placed first above the butterfly invalidation point. Second, take a look for the coming week. This will be also the weekly pivot resistance one. That will be also very attractive level for placing the stop. So stop will be more or less protected by these significant levels. That in fact our trading plan for beginning of the week. Just as the conclusion, first of all, due to stop grabbers, we should wait when the market will show some deeper retracement right on Monday. I hope that this will be near around 130.50 area. Second, we should search the possibility to enter short with the overall butterfly pattern. And by the reasons that we have just discussed on the daily time frame, I still think that market probably should show the move to the 129.20 area. Well, probably I will ignore this idea when the market will erase this butterfly, continue move higher. Well, in this case I could say yes, probably guys, and probably this could be starting point of the upward action, and we hardly will see the downward continuation to the 618 support on the daily time frame. But currently, at least at the price action that I have seen on the previous week, well, I think that odds still stand in favor of another leg down rather than continuation to the upside. So that's my current thought on the market. Let's see how it will turn, and let's take a look at the levels and the patterns that we have just discussed.